Hey everyone, welcome back again to another tutorial on this channel. This time we talk about how to share Instagram Reels on Facebook using your iPhone. So it depends on what you want to achieve, because it might be the case for you that you want to share your own Reels on Facebook as well, or just someone else's. So let me cover all of the options. When it comes to other people's Reels, you can easily just locate them on your Instagram. You can just check it out right there and click on the share icon, which at first is going to recommend you some people that you know on Instagram to send them through DM. But at the bottom, you need to scroll through the options, and you can either copy the link and already paste it into Facebook, but you might as well just click on the Facebook icon, which is right there. It's going to ask you to open up the Facebook application, and when you get inside in here, you're going to be able to paste it in there and just start the sharing process right away and just post it directly on Facebook. However, when you are posting your own content, like your own reels, and you also want them to appear on Facebook, you can set it up right before you publish them, which is pretty simple, right? So you can start a new post, right? You can just click on share, turn it into a reel, and then when you click on next and you want to just share it, you have the ability at the bottom to post it to Facebook too, and it's just one toggle, so you want to make sure that you enable it. And also, if you don't have it turned on, you can link the proper Facebook page where you want to post it to. So yeah, these are the things that you just have to do to make sure that it appears on Facebook as well. But hopefully I managed to show you how it works. If you manage to get it working, leave a thumbs up on the video to let me know about it. But also you can just tell me something in the comments if you have some insights or questions. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.